If you hate cleaning or it's just hard to find the time to do it, you're gonna love today's video because I have found 10 items that clean for you and you really don't have to do anything at all and they still deliver great results. Stick around to the end, by the way, because I found a bonus product recently that really spruces up the outside of our home, and again, with very little work from you. As always, everything will be linked in the description below and pinned to the comments, and they'll be at the QR code on your screen. Let's jump into it. Before we get into this, by the way, ignore my chapped lips situation. If you can see that on camera, I didn't want you thinking like I just overdid it with the lipstick. No, they're just crazy chapped right now. Anyway, let's jump into it. Number one, this is a toilet bowl cleaner. It's a cartridge that you insert into the tank of your toilet, and it puts this cleaner, it's clear by the way, not blue like some of them are, puts cleaner into the toilet water. So with every flush, it's cleaning the toilet, but then the water that's sitting in there has the cleaner in it. And that's gonna really prevent the ring around the toilet from forming as quickly. It's not that you will never have to clean your toilet again, but wow, does it really buy you time in between when you do have to clean it. Ever since I put this in, I mean, other than maybe having to clean some like splatters and obvious messes, just the ring around the toilet does not come up again. Like, it's been weeks since I've had to just clean that. So it keeps that at bay. And again, just buys you time in between those deeper cleans. Number two is for chandeliers or any intricate light fixture. This is a spray that you simply spray all over the light and let it just drip dry, and it's gonna take the dirt with it and leave it sparkling new. In the video here, you'll see some like before and afters, and it just takes the glass from cloudy, kind of like with a film or dingy, to see-through and sparkly again, and all I had to do was spray this. Now you do wanna put down a tarp or something underneath because it is gonna drip, but so protect the floor or the furniture underneath it. But again, you just spray, let it drip dry, call it good. You're gonna save hours not having to painstakingly clean every little piece of the light. Number three, I know you've heard me talk about before. So this is if you have glass shower doors. So you're gonna have to clean initially, but then this is going to really save you from having to do deep cleans down the road. So this is a ceramic coating spray that you spray onto a clean glass shower door, and it's going to allow water just to run off, and it's gonna make it really hard for soap scum and hard water to stick and build up on there. So your glass shower door stays clean so much longer. And if it does get dirty, say from like body wash, flinging on there or whatever, it now will just be so easy to wipe off versus having to really scrub through buildup. If you have glass shower doors, this product is a must, and you don't apply it every single time. It says it lasts for a year. I think I maybe have applied this like twice a year, maybe, and it will keep the glass shower door cleaner longer or easier to wipe messes off of. Number four is for cleaning the outside of our windows. So we can skip climbing the ladder with a bucket of soap and water and scrubbing it by hand. This is so much easier. This is a window cleaner designed to attach to the end of your hose. And so what you do is like spray the window with water from the hose, turn the nozzle to the cleaner. Now you're gonna spray the cleaner all over the window and then go back to the hose only, and you're gonna rinse it off, let it dry. It's gonna dry streak-free, get rid of any messes, takes you seconds, and is so much easier than doing this chore by hand. Okay, number five, we're going back to the shower. This is called Wet and Forget, and this is a shower cleaning spray that you just spray all over the shower, let it sit a couple hours or overnight, and then come back and rinse and call it good, and your shower will be clean. Even if you have buildup, this will still work. If the buildup is really bad, you might have to like sort of take a sponge and help it along, but you shouldn't have to scrub it a lot. And what's really nice about this, if you stay on top of this, if you do this every like week or every 2 weeks, then you shouldn't really ever get buildup, and it's just gonna make it really easy to keep your shower clean without you having to really scrub it by hand. Now, I told you that at the end of this video, I have an outdoor product I wanna share with you, but before that, there is this outdoor product that is also a dream. So this is for if you have like mold and mildew on the outside of your home. Maybe it's on brick or stucco or on like just your surfaces. You can spray this. All you do is spray it and then let it sit a little bit, come back and rinse, and it's gonna get rid of all of it. The before and afters that you see here, I mean on the brick, that like green whatever on the brick, the way that that just looked brand new afterwards still shocks me to this day. And here's the beautiful thing about it. You should not have to do this every year. It might just depend how bad of a winter you get, but I fully expected to have to go do this again this year, and no, my brick, my stucco, all of it, still clean. I think it must put some sort of a treatment on there that then prevents the mess from coming back as quickly. Number 7, we can skip scrubbing dirty shoes by hand now that we have these shoe cleaning bags. I call these like little corn on the cob bags. That's how they look. Put your shoes in there, put it in the wash, add some detergent, and that is all the work you have to do. The scrubbers on the inside of this bag are gonna scrub those shoes clean. I mean, you'll see here in the video, they look brand new. Whenever I was blown away. These shoes were so muddy from my son using them at sports or playing outside, and all I had to do was put them in the bag, toss them in the wash, and they came out looking brand new. This is 100% my go-to for cleaning shoes ever again. Number 8, if you have dirty oven racks, skip scrubbing those suckers by hand. You don't need to do the, life hacks of putting them in the tub with detergent pods or dryer sheets or whatever. I've tried all that in the past and I still had to scrub a ton. With this kit, you just put the oven racks into the bags that they come with or into trash bags, pour the cleaner in, let it sit overnight. The next day, take them out, rinse them. All the gunk that's stuck on there is going to just melt off. It's so satisfying and they look brand new. Now let me just say, when I've shared these in the past, people say, oh, just use ammonia. I use ammonia in a trash bag. I have tried that. 2 things I did not love about it. But if it works for you, stick with it. But for me, I hated the fumes. They were so strong and I had to open windows. It was rough. And I used it on 2 different sets of oven racks. And the one said it was fine, the other said it ruined. It completely tarnished them beyond repair. So that's my PSA about ammonia if you wanna go that route. But personally, I think this kit is so much easier. Number 9, cleaning tablets. I rave about these. I try to get in the habit of doing these on the 1st of every month. That way you remember to do it. And it is important that we clean the things that clean for us. So washing machine, dishwasher, maybe your disposal or coffee maker. They make tablets for pretty much everything now. So all you do is toss one of these in and call it good. It is designed to clean the inner workings of our machines, so you don't really have to do anything. For the dishwasher, I do still recommend removing the filter, giving that a little scrub and rinse in the sink, but otherwise, you don't have to do anything else. So let these tablets do the work for you, and then if our machines are clean, they not only are going to last longer and work better, but then they themselves clean better too. Number 10, if you have mold and mildew in your shower, you know I love this product. This is the mold and mildew remover from Active. It is a gel. All you have to do is apply it to the areas, let it sit overnight or several hours, then come back with like a wet rag, wipe it away. It is going to look brand new. You really don't have to do much. There's no scrubbing. Just let it sit, wipe it away, and it will take care of the rest. And that brings us to our bonus item, this recent find that I discovered when trying to spruce up the outside of my home for spring and summer. This is by Rejuvenate, the same people that make the window spray that I love. And this is like an outdoor restorer. It comes in wipes if you want, or I have the cream and I just add it to a microfiber cloth. But this is so great at just bringing back some shine and luster to your siding or shingles or your mailbox or just like wrought iron things outside. It can be used on various surfaces. Check the bottle or the wipes first, but you'll see in the video here just the night and day difference. And wow, yes, I had to do some of the work. It works so quickly and like a dream that I didn't have to do much. It's not like I had to scrub. I just literally had to wipe this on. It was so easy. Highly recommend this if the outside of your home could use a little refresh. All right, and that does it. I am just all about cleaning smarter, not harder. There's plenty that we do have to do, so when there's a shortcut that works really well, you better believe I'm all about it. All of these products deliver great results, and again, with very little effort from us, which is a game changer and helps just give us some time back and make these chores less of a chore. Again, everything's linked in the description or at the QR code on the screen, and I'll pin them to the comments, and I will see you in my next video.